Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at some new Spigen accessories. Now you can pick these up on Amazon. I'll throw the links up in the description. Let's get right into it. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes,
I love
calm down. Okay, now I'm getting ready to catch a flight in a few hours, but I wanted to show y'all these products because I'm taking some of them with me. First up, we got the Spigen Universal Headphones case. Now this one's gonna run you 25 bucks. Now I'm planning on taking my Sonos Ace with me, and after I did the video on this, I've been playing with these for the last couple of days. I do like them, but this case has to be the worst case in headphones history. And right on time, I got the Spigen one. Now look at this. I left this like this because I was trying to take this out this morning, and look how the zipper got stuck. Now in my video, I said the zipper wasn't that great, and it's really not. Okay, let me see if I can get this out of here. The zipper keeps getting stuck. This is actually the worst case. Okay, so we're gonna take these out, and like I said, I'm gonna do a follow-up on these when I get back. But let's check out the Universal Headphones case. All right, let me get in. Pop these open. Now I'm gonna try to make this video quick because like I said, I gotta catch a flight. All right, check this out. Hard shell style case. Now this is the kind of zippage I like to see. Excellent zippage. There's nothing worse when you're trying to get your headphones out and it gets stuck and you're like, that's trash. All right, so let's make sure these fit. Bang, just like that. Now let me see. Let me go in my case. Look out, shoes. Go in my case. Now I got my little cables. All right, so I'm gonna drop them in here just like that and keep it moving. Now let me grab another set of headphones. Let me see what I got back here. All right, I mean, it's universal. It should fit everything. Let's go ahead and try something else. We got the Sony's. Okay, they're gonna fit. Tozo, they're gonna fit. This is universal, so everything is gonna fit. If it can fit these big ass ones. All right, so 25 bucks on this. Excellent zippage. Little carabiner, simple and effective tech. Let's keep it moving. All right, so just in case you was wondering, the AirPod Max will definitely fit as well. All right, so next up, y'all remember one of my favorite Spigen cases, the classic C1? Well, now we got the classic C1 MagSafe wallet. Now this one's gonna run you 27 bucks. Let's check this out. Okay, look at the wrist. Now this, I wanted to take on vacation. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm doing it so big. Look at this. Okay. Now this is a nice wallet style case. MagSafe, of course. And look how it's going to match your C1. All right, so if you got the C1 case, you're going to need this. You're going to need this. Let me grab some cards real quick. All right, check this out. Now I got 3 cards in here. Look at the strength of this magnet. When I pop this off and I want to use my wallet, pop them out just like that. Charge it to the game. And look how they lock back into place. The cards are not popping out. This is dope. Okay, so we got the C1 MagSafe case. Of course, we had to get it in red. It's actually my favorite color. Let's see how this one looks. Okay, now look at the magnets on the back. Bang. Hold up, let's see. Charge it to the game, bang. Drop them back in. Now, usually I like to rock either 3 cards or 2 cards in the driver's license, whatever you want to do. Okay? And of course, the blue. What is this? Blue, turquoise? What y'all like to call it? I'm a few minutes away from vacation mode, so bear with me, y'all. Okay, check this one out. Let's go ahead and slap this on. Bang, just like that. Look at the strength. You got to actually pull this off. So it's not going to just slide off. Let's drop some cards in here real quick too. Matter of fact, let's see how easy this is. You can come from the bottom if you want, or just right from the top. I make sure I don't put my numbers out there. All right, hold up. All right, so we're going to slap these on, and look how this looks. Look how beautiful this is. All right, so this is the C1 MagSafe case. Slaps right on. I love these. Which color y'all think is the best? This blue looks dope. Yeah, look at the, yo, you gotta really, they outdid themselves with the magnets on these though. Okay, so let's see. yeah, once you get it into place, it's hard to move. You see they got the extra ones on the bottom? Beautiful. All right, so let's keep it moving. All right, so next up, we got another iPhone case. Now this is the Ultra Hybrid, but a new color. Let's get and check this one out. Now this one right here, this is gonna run you $20. Okay, one more. Check this out. Now we got it with the red trim. So you know this is never gonna turn yellow. Transparent back, of course, MagSafe compatible. Drop this on the titanium, and look how this one looks. This is sick. Let's see, buttons cutouts. Let's check the wireless charge. Okay, there's your wireless charge. Look how strong this MagSafe magnet is. Okay, not popping off. And if you want to, you could drop one of these C1 wallets right on the back. Matter of fact, oh, the red one might look sick. Oh, this is sick right here. Okay, I didn't even know you could mix and match. Look at, this might be almost too strong. This magnet is strong. I like that. Okay, this is fire. All right, so this is the Ultra Hybrid in a new color. Let's keep it moving. All right, next up, we got a new case for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. We got the Ultra Hybrid one-tap metal ring. Now this one right here is gonna run you $23. And on a side note, shout out to Spigen, because when I did my case lineup for the Galaxy, remember I said this case is so dope, but it's missing MagSafe? I think they listened to me, y'all, because check this out. Now we got the same style case, okay, transparent design. Let's go ahead and that off the back, on the inside, with MagSafe. That was the only thing missing from this case. Now let's go ahead and take this one off. Okay, now we're gonna drop this one on. You get that same transparent style design. No stolen designs on the side note, okay? Let's see the buttons. There's your buttons, cutouts, easy access to your S Pen. Okay, old school Galaxy watch, y'all see me. But most importantly, MagSafe. All right, now we got MagSafe. It says fully charged because this phone, I just took it off the charger. But now we got MagSafe. And again, look how strong this magnet is. Let me see, let's do the shake test. Okay, excellent strength on the magnet. This might be my new favorite Galaxy case. I love the transparent style. Oh, this is sick. Ultra Hybrid, one-tap metal ring. Again, $23 on this one. Now you can retire this one, get this one to your friend, and rock out with your MagSafe. Done. Okay, so I got one more product I want to show y'all. All right, so last up, we got the MagSafe charging case for your AirPods Pro. Now this one is going to run you $26. Let's check this one out. Now, I usually like to take my AirPods on vacation because these are my favorite earbuds for talking on the phone. Okay, so let's see. We got some extra tape and all of that. Okay, this is going to be for the bottom and the top. And it still has that same transparent design. All right, so let me go ahead and slap these on. All right, I'm feeling this one too. It gives your AirPods Pro a nice futuristic look. You got the optional carabiner hook if you want. Open them up. You can see your LED light. But most importantly, it is MagSafe. So, see it's charging up. Just like that. This is dope. Going right in my pocket right now. Let's kind of wrap this video up. All right, so these are some new accessories from Spigen. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise. Spock here.
Spock wanted to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.